In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello as your planner so you can organize your ideas, manage your projects, and stay on top of your tasks in a simple visual way. Whether you're planning YouTube videos, work projects, school assignments, or even your daily life, Trello can become your all-in-one productivity system. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to use views, automation, and sharing features to level up your workflow. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and go to your planning board. For example, you might have a board called YouTube Planning, or you can create one specifically for your personal planner. If you don't already have a board, click on Create Board. Give it a clear name, like Content Planner, Work Planner, or 2026 Goals Planner. You can also choose a background to visually separate it from other boards. Then click Create, and you'll be taken to your new board. Now let's structure your planner using lists. Lists are the vertical columns you see on your board. You can rename them to match your workflow. For example, you can create lists like Ideas or Brainstorming, Research and Scripting, In Production, Editing or Post-Production, and Ready for Upload. If you're using this as a life planner, your lists could be To Do, In Progress, Waiting On, and Completed. The key idea is that each list represents a stage in your process. This gives you a clear visual overview of where everything stands. Inside each list, you can create cards. Cards are your individual tasks or projects. For example, under Ideas, you might create a card called AI Tools for Creators. To create a card, simply click Add a Card at the bottom of a list, type the name, and press Enter. If you want to edit a card, just click on it. Inside the card, you can add a detailed description, checklists, due dates, attachments, and comments. This is where all the detailed planning happens. Now let's talk about tracking progress. One powerful feature in Trello is custom fields. You can add custom field checkboxes to show progression, like 25% complete, 50% complete, and 75% complete. To do this, open a card, click on Add Power-Ups or Custom Fields, and create checkbox fields that represent your progress milestones. This makes it super easy to see how far along a task is without opening it every single time. Next, let's organize by priority using labels. If you want to color code your cards, open a card and click on Labels. You can create different colors for different priority levels. For example, green for low priority, yellow for medium, and red for high priority. Once applied, these labels appear on the front of the card, giving you an instant visual signal of what needs urgent attention. If you're working with a team, Trello also makes collaboration easy. Go to your board and click on Share. From there, you can add members by entering their email addresses, or you can create a shareable link and send it to them directly. This is perfect if you're managing a content team, business project, or group assignment. Everyone can see updates in real time. Another useful feature is the inbox. Click on Inbox to show or hide it. If you send a message or forward an email to your Trello inbox, you'll find it there. This is great for turning emails into actionable cards and keeping everything centralized instead of scattered across different apps. Now let's look at views. Click on Views at the top of your board. Trello offers multiple ways to look at your tasks. For example, you can switch to Timeline View. If you've added due dates to your cards, Timeline will display them in chronological order. This is extremely helpful for planning launches, deadlines, and long-term projects because you can visually see overlaps and scheduling gaps. Finally, you can use automation and add-ons to make your planner even smarter. Trello's built-in automation tool, often called Butler, allows you to create rules. For example, when you move a card to completed, it can automatically add a completion date or check off a checklist. You can also explore power-ups to integrate apps and expand your board's functionality. And that's how you use Trello as your planner. From creating boards and lists, to adding cards, tracking progress, color-coding priorities, collaborating with others, using timeline views, and setting up automation, Trello can truly become your command center for productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to use Trello in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.